Welcome back to Trader's Audio Edge. Let's talk about doubt, not the kind that creeps in once in a while, but the kind that rides shotgun on every single trade, whispering, poking, questioning your every move. Doubt isn't just a feeling, it's a leak. It slowly drains your conviction, your timing, your clarity. And if you don't address it, you'll find yourself stuck in a loop, entering late, exiting early, skipping valid setups, and then beating yourself up afterward. Doubt doesn't just cost you points or dollars. It costs you trust in yourself, in your system, in your ability to act without overthinking. And when that trust erodes, everything becomes harder. Trading becomes heavier. The decisions feel bigger. You become more reactive, less responsive, constantly chasing certainty that never fully arrives. But here's the thing about doubt. It doesn't usually come from your edge. It comes from you, from not fully committing, from not reviewing your plan until it becomes second nature, from hesitating so often that hesitation becomes your default. The market moves fast. If you need to redecide your confidence every time a setup appears, you're already behind. The real pros don't wait until they feel certain. They execute because they've already done the thinking, the preparation, the review. And when the signal is there, they trust it. Not blindly, but deliberately. Because hesitation in trading isn't humility. It's self-sabotage in disguise. So here's your challenge. Start replacing doubt with structure. Instead of asking, "Is this going to work?" ask, "Does this meet the criteria I've trained for?" Instead of asking, "Should I take this?" ask, "What would the version of me who trusts the plan do right now?" Your job isn't to eliminate doubt, it's to stop feeding it. Every time you hesitate on a valid setup, you reinforce the story that you can't be trusted. But every time you act in alignment with your rules, even when it's uncomfortable, you build a new story. One that says, "I'm a trader who executes through uncertainty. I don't wait for perfect. I move with clarity." The cost of doubt isn't just missed trades, it's missed momentum in your growth, your identity, your consistency. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start acting from structure. Because when you stop questioning everything and start trusting what you've trained for, you don't just become a more decisive trader, you become a more confident one.